We must exterminate the whole room.
Hey guys, welcome back to Stay True TV. So we're here for another day, working on the house. So come on down and we'll show you what we've been up to and what Dara's been up to while I've been at work and what we're going to get into today. First thing we're going to be getting into, we're going to change this door out. We've got a new door to go on. We're worried about this glass with kids and wind. You think to open the back door, the front door slams, so we just want to get rid of that before it ends up smashing and causing us any grief. So that'll be one of the first things we get into today. Come through here, you'll see Dara's been extra busy. Dara's already got rid of all the cupboards and stuff inside the laundry here. The only thing she's had a bit of trouble with is the sink. So that's something else we're going to get into today. We're going to get this removed, get this out of here. So we'll take care of that. Just managed to get rid of the carpet in here. So we're going to remove the cupboards from in here, get rid of the lino, and remove all that. Then we'll be getting into the games room, stripping back some more on that wall and the roof, explore, see what other damages are in there, and then we'll start getting some materials and stuff together and doing some more stuff. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we've just gone along and chiselled the grooves out for the new hinges to go on this door. If you look closely, you can see as we went through, we tried different techniques and different ways of doing it, and we've gone from that. We've kind of got better as we've gone through, as we've come up with different solutions. But any of you guys that are watching this, that are builders or anything, and have got any hints, feel free, comment in the comment box below and let us know. Dara's getting into it. Fixed. Dara fixed it. Alright guys. Door's fitted. Definitely not giving up my day job to go and become a carpenter yet. This is only a temporary door, we just wanted to get the glass door off. There will be a different door going on once we're actually finished. But we'll just chuck the lock on for now. We've got a chisel. Had to chisel all this part out here, inside. Just get the lock on. As you can see, if you come back a bit, the gaps definitely aren't too flash, so when we get our new door, one will be getting it cut to size for us and probably getting it fitted by a professional, because we don't want big air leaks. Alright, we're going to keep going, get into the next job. Alright, so the next job, the sink. I've looked underneath, can't find any hardware holding it bolted to the wall or anything, so we want to do the drain work and see if we can pull her on up. Might be these tiles here holding the sink down, but we'll see how we go. Not sure what the go is here, but I think the sink is actually being tiled in. It looks as if the steel goes up and under, so we're going to take these tiles back and see what's under there. Alright, it's all ripped out. Sweet. So we've got a builder coming in a couple of days. He's going to be giving us some advice on what we can and can't do. But this room here is no longer going to be a laundry. So stay tuned if you want to see what this is going to become. Alright, now to try and remove some cupboards from in this room.
Dara, we're kidding.
Alright guys, so with this whole coronavirus thing, we're all stuck in our own houses, can't really just ask people for help. So this is a bit heavy for Dara to handle with me, so what we're going to do is we're just going to bust it into pieces and take it out part by part. Alright guys, all the cupboards are out, lino's out. We've got a big blank canvas room. Find out when the builder's here about the plumbing, what we can do to get rid of that. Alright, moving on. Alright guys, the next thing we're going to take care of is we're going to pull another sheet back further on this wall. We're going to take down this wall and we're going to take down the wall over here. Got a couple of power points, so I'm just going to cut around the plasterboard for now so we can rip the plaster away. Same with this power point here, going to do the same and assess the damage behind it. Let's get into it. So all the wood behind here is not looking too bad at all. This one here looks almost new, like it's been replaced in the past. It's just this one beam here, so we'll go ahead and we'll take this wall off and check it out and see if we can find out how they've got up there, where they've gone, travelled up to. We'll do the same with that wall just so we know where we've got to replace the damage. So let's get into that. There we go. They're live too. Found them. And they're still live. So we're going to be getting some treatment. Not that we won't go anyway. Oh yeah! I think we just strip this whole room out, just put on new plaster down, plasterboard. Came for that.
Oh yeah. Little.
That's all rotten through the bottom too.
Yeah.
It was at this point they realised they f***ed up. There's a window.
We must exterminate the whole room.
And as you can see, they are absolutely live down here. That is ridiculous. And sensational at the same time, I guess.
Oh, look at that, marching one by one. Dirty buggers.
It's riddled.
Yeah, well, looks like we're building a new place.
Beautiful. Nice new laundry. So, do you want to just explain us having to stop and call our builder?
Oh, right. We're a bit concerned about this stuff here. Wasn't sure if it could be asbestos carrying or anything like that, so we've just messaged the builder, sent him some photos and stuff, and he's just confirmed that we're all good to keep going.
Thanks, Pierce.
Yep, thank you, Pierce. So that's what we're going to keep going. Woo! There you go. I think this thing's going up for a rebuild. We got damage. Damage, damage, damage. All the way. Keep going. Get to the point. Shit's not even connected anymore. That piece of wood, gone. Completely gone. So we knew there was white ants Obviously we didn't know the extent we were going to be dealing with them, but here we are today, going on an awesome journey of learning how to rebuild a shed. All the foil insulation peeling, having your main walls now. Like, it's not too bad there, it's relatively solid, but it is actually rotting down on the ground. Oh, where did I see that? No, that one's not too bad. Yeah, around the window. Terrible. This one here I thought was going to come out with the window actually. Too bad. Too bad. Alright guys, we're going to call it a wrap for the day. So we got the door done, so we're not worrying about that smashing now. That was the biggest concern with that door. Get it replaced with a wood door so it's not going to blow in the wind or get caught with the kids and smash, have glass everywhere. So we've got that sorted out for now, and like I say, we'll be replacing that once we've got the design of the house all where we want it and we're ready for the new door. So we managed to rip the sink out of the laundry, smashed all the tiles off the wall there, so that's pretty much set ready for what we're going to do in there. And then we got the cupboards and stuff out of the sunroom, pulled up the lino. So we managed to get all the walls removed in that games room, and it's definitely looking hectic. Start taking some measurements and getting some pricing on new wood and stuff to go in there. See whether it's viable to rebuild it or just get a whole new shed and chuck it on up and do the same thing back over. Probably go steel frame if we do that way. But for today, we're going to call it. So if you're liking what you see, don't forget, like, subscribe, set the bell for the notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.